by clicking on this video, you're probably thinking to yourself, how am I going to pay myself as an entrepreneur, right? I'm going to go and learn how to finally pay myself. Been working hard, and I'm going to get it right this time. That's a great goal, right, for next year, 2025. However, how you're going to achieve that goal is going to determine the results you get. So, in this show of the Rule Your Money Show, I'm taking over 10 years of experience working with small business owners. That's right, to show you everything you need so that you can pay yourself the right way starting in 2025. Welcome to the Rule Your Money Show. I am your host, Dakota Grady. So this is the burning question that you had, because I know you had it for a long time. How do you pay yourself as a small business owner, specifically a single member LLC? I got you covered, y'all. In this video, I'm going to break it down as simple as I can so that you can understand how to pay yourself for the work that you've put in to start your business and grow it. And now you're looking to scale it and you're wondering how to pay myself. Well, we're going to dive right into the conversation. But before we get started, I wanted to tell you, please like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss a beat of getting business and personal finance information to help you to rule your money. That's right, y'all. Rule your money in personal and your business life. So before we get started again, I want to tell you this. In addition to paying yourself, if you're a tither, pay your tithe as well. Pay yourself. Also, you want to pay taxes too. Don't forget about paying your taxes. I'm going to also do a video about how to do quarterly estimates so that you can know how to estimate your taxes every quarter without missing a beat. So let's get started. This is how you pay yourself as a small business owner with an LLC. So in our example here, we have the business we earn $5,000 for the month. It's the month of December, so we earned $5,000. And then our monthly expenses were $3,000, so it leaves us $2,000 of net income. All right, that's all the money we have left over after paying our expenses. All right, utilities, office expenses, payroll if we have employees, all those expenses, right? Or contractors. So we got $2,000 left. So how do you pay yourself? I got two ways you can pay yourself, all right? Maybe three, but two. I would say it's simple. Pay yourself at least 10% of what you earned. 10% off top. 10% of gross. You gross $5,000 before expenses, so you pay yourself 10%, all right? I know it's a low amount, but still, you want to pay yourself at least $5,000. If you're a tither and you follow Christ and you want to honor the Lord with your tithe, you give God 10%, and you also pay yourself 10%. All right, you want to match what God is basically you're paying God as well. So to keep it simple, or you can do the net method. You can do the net method by instead of paying yourself 10% of the gross, you pay yourself 10% of the net, which is a smaller amount. You gross $5,000, but you netted $2,000, so you pay yourself $2,000 times 10%, you get $200. I know it's not a lot of money, but at least you're paying yourself something, right? And the third option is, if you don't want to do either way, 10% of gross or net, pay yourself enough money to cover your monthly bills. That's simple. If you can afford it, pay yourself enough income to pay your bills. Now, with the caveat of that is, paying yourself is like a juggling act, because if you're a follower of Christ, you want to honor the Lord, pay your tithe, pay yourself. So you're doing 10% to God, 10% to yourself, and then you got to pay taxes. I would say taxes, right? I'm not going to go into a lot of detail about it, but you want to pay your taxes at least 25% for taxes, 15% for Social Security, Medicare, or FICA, and 10% for federal taxes. So you basically got 100% of your income. Take away 10% for tithe, 10% for yourself. You got 80% left, and you take out 25%. So you got what, like 55% left? So, I mean, you're paying more for taxes than you're paying to yourself. So it's like you have to make enough income to cover the tithe, pay yourself, and taxes. But this is a simple way how you can pay yourself. Again, you can play the numbers. You can do, if you want to, do $5,000 times 30, maybe 50%. Pay yourself if you can afford it, enough to cover your bills, or just if you're not a tither, pay yourself more than 10%. It's up to you. But the whole point is I want to help you to understand that you can pay yourself a simple amount this is a simple way that you can learn to pay yourself and not be overwhelmed, stressed out. And I want to just relieve the worry and stress of having to find out how to pay yourself and not pay yourself at all. All right. So hope this was helpful to you. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. I want to be able to add value to you so you can use this stuff to apply to your business and also personally as well. Now, if you are an S corporation, you have to pay yourself a reasonable salary. So you have to be an employee of the business, pay yourself a reasonable salary. Again, if you're not making a lot of income, use this as an example. Just pay yourself as an employee, pay yourself enough just to pay your bills or to do the 10%. It's up to you. But the whole point is to pay yourself something. Now you know how to pay yourself and you get rid of the overwhelm, stress, and worry about how to pay yourself at a single member LLC. So again, I want to invite you to like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell me if you like this information. Was it helpful to you? If not, what could I have done differently to add more value to you? And tell me what you want to hear more of. More business stuff, kind of taxes, sales, marketing, whatever. Let me know in the comments, because I've been in business for over 4 years now, helping entrepreneurs, specifically nurse practitioner entrepreneurs and esthetician entrepreneurs, have more time in the business and one, remove the worry and stress of bookkeeping, and then also help them to get their business finances in order. If that's you, please email me at dakota@dakotagrady.com to get a consultation for you so you can help get the stress and worry out of your life when it comes to bookkeeping and taxes. This is the Rule Your Money Show, y'all. Thank y'all for joining us.